From Volkswagen Oldham, here we have the approved used Volkswagen Touran SE Family 2.0 TDI at 150 PS in our Caribbean blue metallic finish. This car comes with stylish 17-inch Valunga alloy wheels, and we have the wing mirrors that we can push in to provide safety for the vehicle, ensuring they don't get damaged in any way. Especially while parked on tight streets, as it is quite a large vehicle. Coming around to the back, you'll see we have the rear privacy glass that looks super sleek. And then coming all the way around to the back, you'll see that we can use the button on the key to activate the boot. That will automatically start to lift for you. And here you can see you've got a little bit of space. And obviously if you do require any additional height, you can also open up this compartment here just to access that. And then also you can drop down the back seats and even the last two seats as well via this compartment here. And unlike other cars, this car also comes with a factory tow bar. You see it's incredibly easy to use, super beneficial if you find yourself with a caravan or even towing other vehicles. You'll see that starts to drop down for you. To the back, you'll see it's incredibly spacious on the inside, as you have the middle rows, which also have the trays for the food and drink, and then you also have the two seats at the back, adding to a total of 7 seats in the car. The car is in fantastic condition, and the storm grey interior upholstery looks absolutely amazing. And in the centre console, we also have an armrest that we can lift up to become a storage compartment to fit items such as phone chargers inside. They're easy accessible. Coming into the car, you see we have the multifunction steering wheel that enables access to the dashboard interface. And then to the right of that, we also have the controls for the automatic headlights, ensuring they're on at the correct times. And then we have the central locking on the driver's door as well. So using the push start button, you'll see the engine activates and we gain access to all the car's functionalities. Simply press this button here and you gain access to the vehicle status, your driving data, assist system, your navigation, audio, and your telephone as well. You can also see which passengers have their seatbelts on as well. So then coming into the middle, we have access to the radio, media, telephone, navigation, traffic, vehicle, app connect, CarNet, media control, images, sound, and your settings as well. So as we go into App Connect, you can see we have the functionality for Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and MirrorLink, allowing you to display your phone directly through the car to access applications such as Spotify or Google Maps navigation. However, the car does include a built-in navigation that will provide you with confidence and safety on every journey, as this incredibly detailed display will keep you in the loop and on track to your required destination for precision and quickness. As you can see, you can adjust the height of it as well. And then going into telephone, you can make calls directly through the car to work in conjunction with a voice command as well. This all works through Bluetooth directly through your phone, removing the need to actually touch your phone whilst driving. And this car also has some fantastic heated seats. Simply press once to activate, press again to decrease the intensity of the heat, and all the way till off. Same again on the opposite side, and this emulates the warmth of a summer's day, bringing heat and comfort to a cold winter's drive. So then this car also comes with fantastic parking sensors and a rear camera that provide confidence and safety on every manoeuvre. Some parking spaces can be incredibly difficult, and especially in a vehicle of this size. This is why these cameras and sensors come in handy so well, as you'll ensure the safety of your vehicle and your passengers as well. So if we pop the car into reverse, you'll see these sensors automatically display for us, so we don't actually need to worry about doing it manually, but it does help when trying to gauge if your car can fit down a tight street, or maybe you're just trying to squeeze past a tight gap. And then lastly, this car also comes with a fantastic panoramic sunroof that is great for summer drives, as it enables light and air into the car. With a colossal window size, it benefits the whole car, as everyone gets the benefits of this feature. It's super easy to use. Simply flick the switch over and you'll see it begin to activate, and then you just flick it back the other way to close, and you can see you can close it on demand as well, which is a personal favourite feature of mine, and I think it really elevates your driving experience. Thanks for watching. This has been the beautiful Volkswagen Touran. If you have any further questions or want to have a look at the car for yourself, please give us a call on 016 1413 5117, where we'll be more than happy to provide more information on the vehicle.